Okay, and then for this second paper where we actually started the research, it was kind of hard for me. I had never done APA formatting before, and I was kind of struggling with APA, didn't really understand it, and I really didn't know how to write the paper. So going through that was like a big worry for me. I wasn't really too concerned about the research because I've done a lot of research papers in my past classes. Um, but here I basically just went through each topic. I did a little introduction here, and then I went through like each topic talking about like costs and benefits. And then here in my review of sources, I used a certain website to get actual scholarly sources, which I will put into another video because I don't know how to put it into here. But it went really well. I got a lot of really good sources like the National Center for Education Statistics, a lot of .org websites, and I did get scholarly sources too. I know those were just regular websites, but articles like Understanding the Determinants and Debt of Burden, um, I found a lot of really good sources. So I just went through and talked about everything. The first thing I talked about was if college was really worth the time that you spent there, with how much you have to pay per year. I know I personally am $26,000 in debt from my freshman year, but it actually shows the average student debt when graduating is $26,000. I know that's not the case for actually a lot of the students I know, but I guess since some people go through on full scholarships, that's how it is. Um, and then I talked about financial aid, and I found some good articles on that. I'll go through all of those. Employment opportunities, interpersonal skills that you gain from college, the amount of time. So each of these paragraphs were kind of on a different side of the argument. Um, Obviously, the time it takes was kind of a negative, and then the employment opportunities is a positive. And then in this conclusion, I said that like I didn't really know what I thought, that it was kind of up in the air, and that it kind of depended specifically on whoever was choosing. Um, and I said that I thought like one of the best choices someone could make was to go to a technical school if they were struggling, because technical schools are typically only anywhere from 12 months to 21 months. So they're a lot less time commitment for a student. Okay, and now to go to these sources, I'll see if some of these I can click on the links. Oh my gosh, I don't think it's recording me anymore.